The event here has been fantastic. It was nice to meet people in person for a change, and it's been interesting to hear the different discussions on topics like sustainability, regulatory standards, and just being able to integrate with all these different stakeholders. So I definitely recommend this event for the next people to come.
I'm one of the chairs of the panel sessions here at SPACEtalks 3.0, and we were talking about bringing space to Earth and making the space sector a more inclusive place to be, a more inclusive place to do business, and bringing in new entrants into the sector. And this sort of event is doing exactly that. It's something that Cosmonauts and SPACEtalks are really good at. Come to a SPACEtalks event, come to a Cosmonauts event, it will be for you.
It was a very pleasant surprise to hear so many discussions from different topics, and having this also sort of intimate environment where you can network. It's great to go to a big event, but also this is fantastic because it allows you to have more substantial conversations with people.
So in terms of the presentations this morning, we've had a real mixture of general presentations and general discussions, panel discussions about sort of the future of the space organisations generally. Well, it brings together the government organisations such as the Science, Technology and Facilities Council here at Harwell, along with the UK Space Agency, along with the European Space Agency, along with a number of large corporates as well as small medium enterprises.
So I think from our perspective, today's been really well managed. We've got a real diverse bunch of people here today. It's been really nice to see SMEs, regulators, policymakers, influencers all coming together. I think the conference side of it has been really, really good. One, in terms of the quality of the speakers, but also the diversity of what we've covered, and actually giving a platform for lots of different types of people. So we've actually heard from people who are at the cutting edge of technology development, but also the people that are seeing what might be coming in 10 or 15 years' time from a policy perspective.